Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Vivo Y17S. So you have to start by opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now you have to click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match. Then click here to enable Hey Google and now click on more and I agree. Now click on more and I agree again. Then click next. And now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click next. Then you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click assignment and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.